A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling, Tommy Robinson, the controversial far-right activist, has lost his appeal against an 18-month prison sentence for contempt of court. The Court of Appeal's decision, delivered on Wednesday, underscores the legal ramifications of Robinson's repeated breaches of a high court order that prohibited him from making false allegations against a Syrian refugee, Jamal Hijazi. This ruling marks a pivotal moment in Robinson's ongoing legal struggles, as it reflects not only the judiciary's stance on contempt but also the broader implications for free speech and accountability in the public sphere. Robinson, whose real name is Stephen Yaxley Lennon, was sentenced in October 2023 after admitting to multiple breaches of the injunction issued in 2021. The injunction stemmed from a libel case in which Hijazi successfully sued Robinson for defamation, leading to a substantial damages award and the court's order preventing Robinson from repeating his defamatory claims. The case ignited significant public interest, highlighting the tensions surrounding free speech, social media, and the responsibilities of public figures. During the appeal, Robinson's legal team argued that his mental health had deteriorated due to the conditions of his segregation in prison. His barrister, Alistair Williamson KC, presented evidence of Robinson's ADHD and complex post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, suggesting that these factors were not fully considered during the original sentencing. Williamson contended that the prison environment, intended for Robinson's safety, was exacerbating his mental health issues, making his situation more severe than anticipated by the sentencing judge, Mr. Justice Johnson. However, the Solicitor General's office countered these claims, asserting that there was no substantial evidence to suggest that Robinson's conditions had worsened beyond what was initially expected. The court, led by Lady Chief Justice Baroness Carr, Lord Justice Adis, and Lord Justice Warby, concluded that the new evidence regarding Robinson's mental health did not warrant a change in the sentence. They emphasized the meticulous approach taken by the original judge and reiterated that nobody is above the law. The ruling also highlighted the importance of adhering to court orders, particularly for individuals who hold public influence. The judges noted that Robinson's breaches were flagrant and that his actions undermined the integrity of the judicial system. They stated, "Even taking the appellant's case at its highest, we see no reasonable basis for the contention that the conditions that he is experiencing are so substantially worse than the judge anticipated at the time of the sanctioned decision." Robinson's legal troubles are not limited to this appeal. Just weeks prior, he faced another defeat in his attempt to challenge his segregation conditions at HMP Woodhill, which was dismissed by the High Court. This series of setbacks has left Robinson with little recourse as he continues to serve his sentence, which is set to conclude on July 26, 2025. The implications of Robinson's case extend beyond his personal circumstances. The outcome raises critical questions about the balance between free expression and accountability, particularly in the age of social media where misinformation can spread rapidly. Robinson's case serves as a reminder of the potential consequences of disregarding judicial authority and the importance of upholding the rule of law, even for those who may be seen as controversial figures. In a broader context, the case reflects ongoing societal debates about the limits of free speech, particularly in relation to hate speech and defamation. Robinson's activities, often characterized by inflammatory rhetoric, have drawn significant criticism and have sparked discussions about the responsibilities of public figures and the potential impact of their statements on vulnerable communities. As Robinson continues to navigate his legal challenges, the court's decisions may serve as a precedent for future cases involving public figures in contempt of court. The judiciary's firm stance on maintaining the integrity of the legal system may deter similar breaches in the future and reinforce the notion that accountability is paramount, regardless of an individual's status or influence. In conclusion, Tommy Robinson's failed appeal against his contempt of court sentence not only highlights his personal legal battles but also underscores the critical importance of judicial authority and the responsibilities that come with public discourse. As society grapples with issues of free speech and accountability, Robinson's case will undoubtedly remain a focal point of discussion in the ongoing dialogue about the role of public figures in shaping narratives and influencing public opinion. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.